I'm sorry. I just palit my character. And I have to tell you something. I am quitting Roblox. The hatters won. And I'll quit YouTube too. I need to quit it because nobody likes and subscribe to my channel. I need to reach 200, but no one's liking my video. And I am trying to make video and shorts, but I need it. I actually need it. Please, please, please. The hottest one. Sorry, I need to quit Roblox. And I will remove my body to original. Sorry, I need it because I the hottest one, and I don't have Robux, and I will quit totally. I will quit. I will quit. Please don't let the the hatters. Please don't let him. Please don't let hatters win. Please don't let the hatters win. Please. I need to quit. I need to quit, okay? Sorry, I need to quit because the hatters won. And goodbye. I just joking. I will not quit Roblox. I will uploading more and more.